Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold without the password. Alright, so let's begin. So there are basically two options how you can unlock this phone without the password, and I'm gonna show you both of them. But in the beginning I will tell you that please only try to unlock your phone. There's no excuse for trying to unlock someone else's phone because that might be considered as a crime, and that's non-ethical, so have that in mind. Alright, so the first method is by using Google Find My Device. And for that example, let's pretend that this phone is not locked right now. We're gonna use this phone, but you can do it from any other device. So all we need to do is to open up our browser and type in Find My Device. Okay. Now, the first option. Okay, and now let's click on Sign In. Okay, once it's done, in here you need to type your Google Mail, so that's what I'm gonna do now, so give me a second. Okay, and now I need to type my password. Okay, now we have it, and now as you can see we have our Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, so let's click on it, and now all you need to do is to click on Factory Reset Device. Now click on Next, and here you need to click your Google account, and if you don't have one you can click Add to Device. Then follow the instruction on the phone, then your phone will be automatically turned off, and you will need to set it up. But remember that this method will cause that all of your data will be erased from the phone permanently, so it's good to have a backup. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel we have a bunch of videos how you can do it, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, and now the second method where we're gonna use this phone. So now the phone is locked. Let's pretend that because I don't set the lock screen. So now all we need to do is to turn off our phone. So let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open out the power menu. And now let's click on power off. Okay, as you can see the screen went black, and now all we need to do is to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time because we need to get to the recovery mode. Okay, so let's perform this. Keep on holding the volume up, volume down and the power button. Okay, that's what we wanted to get. Okay, and now we are in the fastboot mode, as you can see. And now how to get into the recovery mode. So using the volume buttons, we need to find the recovery mode, just like that. You can see it right in here. And now to confirm the selected option, we use the power button. So let's click on it. Okay, the Google logo appeared, and now we have this logo with the Android, and it says no command. Now to move forward, we need to hold the power button and tap the volume up and release them at the same time, just like that. Okay, and now using the volume buttons again, we need to select wipe data / factory reset and confirm by clicking the power button. As you can see again, this cannot be undone and all of your data will be lost from the phone, just like in the first case, so remember about it. Okay, so again, select the factory data reset, confirm by clicking the power button, and as you can see, data wipe complete. You can see it right in here. Okay, and now all you need to do is to select Reboot System now. Again, the power button. Now the phone will be turned on automatically in a few seconds, and then you again need to set it up. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.